Okay, here's a bit more help for exercise 8.9 for your homework, and it's getting a bit trickier now. I will spend a bit more time on this in class. So here we have the product rule. We need the derivative. The first function there is x squared, the second one is x plus 1 all cubed, and they are multiplied together, which is why it's the product rule. So we know that when we do the product rule, we do the first thing, which is x squared, times the derivative of the second, which is 3 outside of x plus 1 squared. Then we come back and go plus the second, which is x plus 1 all cubed, times the derivative of the first, which is 2x. So far, so good. Now this is where it gets interesting with the factorising. We have to notice that x plus 1 squared is common to both of those terms there, but also an x. So if I pull x and x plus 1 all squared out, what do I leave behind as factors? Well, I leave 3x as the other factor left behind for the first expression, and then for the second one, I leave 2 and an x plus 1, because if x plus 1 squared came out of x plus 1 cubed, that'd leave still an x plus 1. So once I've done that, and that's probably the hardest line, then it's a matter of just tidying up that bracket. So I've expanded out the 2 outside of x plus 1, I've collected up my terms and got my answer. Pause it and have a look if you need to. The next thing we're going to do, let's see if I can get the computer to behave. It doesn't want to behave. Come on. We might have to pause there and come back.